Milan, this is what Milan has.
No, don't.
Her Lunchables for school because they do not warm up food for the children. They only cook, and if Milan doesn't eat it, I gotta make sure my baby got something. So we got her chips, her fruit, her cookies. She's so extra, y'all. Turn around, Milan. We're gonna go get her some. We're gonna go get Milan some. What is it called? Pudding. Milan, shut up. Oh, excuse me. So we're gonna get her pudding, which I think is probably on this aisle.
Oh, see,
Wait.
happy lady. I want this to
Let me see. Okay, so it's not over there. Let's turn down here.
Mommy,
Okay. Here's the pudding they have, okay? They don't have that. They got the chocolate and vanilla one. You have one? You want that one? Or do you want all chocolate? Which one do you want, my love?
Why you see my love?
My love, which one you want? I'm not gonna get none.
I had all vanilla.
You want the chocolate and vanilla?
I see all vanilla.
Are you gonna eat it? Okay, she said she's gonna eat this, y'all, so I'm gonna get one. If you don't eat it, she don't never eat her fruit snacks no more when I send it to school, so I'm not buying anymore. She got cereal, so we don't need no cereal. I don't think we need nothing else. I know this is nasty, y'all. Look at this. Chocolate caramel crunch. Disgusting. Wouldn't eat that.
And I know that nasty too.
Cosmic brownie cereal. Ew. They running out with the cereal, y'all. They running out.
Well, probably other people like it.
Yeah, other people probably do like it. I wish you gotta eat stuff like this to take to school, Milan, because you so picky. Leave my bread alone.
What?
Excuse me. Let's go this way and see what else. I think we finished though. Oh, I need to go get my water. I might not get no water today.
What do you say?
You want the cinnamon toast? I'll get this one for you.
Okay.
Because you be wanting. You're not going to eat the whole thing, so I'm going to split it in half, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to just get one.
And I do eat the whole thing,
They got
you gonna give me more?
They got those. You want this or you want... That's probably not... Oh, I'm sorry. I got the buggy in the way, y'all.
Well, you have one of those, and then I say, Mommy, can I have some of this? And you say no.
I had that. Oh, you talking about mine's at home?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because you ain't eat your other cereal. Oh, they got... Oh, no, this oatmeal.
I wish I would eat oatmeal.
I don't need no more noodles. We got syrup. I did not get the eggs, Milan.
How was
Let's
it?
go get the eggs for Granny.
Hey, that's the dress that I have.
It's actually not. This is cute. This and khaki in Walmart. Or they got the jeans one. This go with your shoes. But let's see how much the eggs cost in here.
Yes, it is.
Because I'm going to still need to go get my, oh, let me see if they got the milk in here. They probably don't. Don't look like they do. They don't got it. So, excuse me, you can go ahead. So, you don't have to get it out here because they don't have it.
No, hurry up because I want to see the babies again.
Okay, let me happy y'all. She want to go see the babies. So, we're going to see.
We take that.
Girl, if you think.
Please.
Well, it could come out your money. How about that? Your account. Since you want to get She want to get, your granny calling. My mom is calling. Let me see how much the eggs cost, and then we'll call her back. And then also see if they got, because they don't have my milk.
Maybe I could get the down me.
Who's gonna pay $15 for these dang on eggs? They is running out. I'm gonna go to the Walmart on Rivers, y'all. Hopefully they still got it for cheap.
No.
They is doing too much with the eggs.
No.
I'm not gonna take you with me. You gonna stay at home. How about that, okay? That's okay with you? Why not?
And then you always take too long to come back.
Because you know your mama be browsing and stuff, but I'm not gonna take long, okay? Mommy won't take long. You're gonna be with the babies. Right? Let's see what they got over here. That Milan wants to spend her money on for the babies. Because I'm not. They might like this. What kind of toys they got?
How about you get two for the same?
We're on the wrong side because this is not for the babies. Well, it's for the babies, but it's not toys.
I can. Okay.
Let's look over here.
I see toys. Just get both the same one.
No, you can get a different one. This one, I like this. It's cute, but I ain't paying $10 for that. I am very cheap, y'all. Yeah, they are twins. Milan used to have this. It wasn't this one, y'all. It was a pig and a lion, and she loved the pig. She loved that pig. She would always carry that thing with her.
But not the lion.
You had the lion, but you ain't carry it with you all the time. You want to do the elephant?
You do the elephant and you get
It's a lamb.
no.
It's cute. Yes.
No.
We can do the lamb.
No.
Milan, let me put my bread right here because she done smashed it or something. Let me see. We might get one other toy for them because they don't be having nothing to play with when they come over. All of these are...
Is that for coming to something? That's why. Look. Look. Oh, that girl that do my hair. Her baby had that.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's find a teething ring. What is this? A teensy teether?
Hey, mommy. When I see a little ring.
Hmm?
Mommy, when I see a little ring.
Why are you asking me that? Let's find. I'm not paying $9 for no teething ring. It's out their minds.
You cannot find nothing.
What is this? Silicone teething mitten. I don't know.
It's a kitten. It's a little one. Yeah.
Okay, so the stuffed animal is fine?
No.
Okay, that's all then.
I said yes. I mean yes. This.
All right, so
No.
listen, chill out, okay? We are going to get out of here because they do not have decent priced eggs. They do not have my milk. We're going to get this stuff.
Yes, that toy and get out of here.
Tell them what to do, Milan, because we're going to check them when we get back. Milan got an attitude. Subscribe, comment, notification. Comment below, you guys. Milan is acting up. Look how she acting now. Look how she acting. We'll be back, y'all.